Hi, this is Ajay Chandak. I'm really glad to announce the opening of our art exhibition, Expressions, which is on from 12th to 14th of November at Balgandharva Art Gallery, Pune. I would be really happy and glad to receive you at the gallery. Please do visit. Thank you so much.
Hi, I am Prinkle Mehta from Tanzania. So I'm exhibiting here at Pune. The exhibition is called Expressions. Really looking forward to meeting a lot of artists here. Amazing work all over. As you can see, this is my work, and I mostly work with women's expressions and emotions, which are very close to me. So I work with acrylic and charcoal mostly. So yeah.
Hello, my name is Sachin and I'm from Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, and I do paint, a lot of landscapes, seascapes, and other type of art like abstract painting and the realistic painting. This is what my paintings are. There are few paintings up, done on the spot. Few paintings are from the photo reference. Especially this is, I have painted, when it was raining. That time I have painted this when in my area, Parsi Khel. This is right in front of my house. It's in Belapur, Navi Mumbai. This is again that in near my area. These are the painting. And when I was working in Abbey Valley, Lonavala Abbey Valley, that time I really fond of this fog. So I thought of once I'll paint that fog. So wanted to create that atmosphere. Where the fog and the things are there. How the things gets blurred. Within the few meters. So that's what I'm very fond of. So I painted this. So this is my taxi. Basically from Mumbai. So Kalipil is the It's a trademark of Mumbai. So wanted to dedicate that Mumbai because of being Mumbaikar. Thank you.
नमस्कार, माझं नाव दिलीप पुराणिक. मी पुण्याहून आहे आणि मी जी चित्र केलेली आहेत ती सर्व मधुबनी शैलीतून केलेली आहे. मधुबनी शैली ही बिहारमधली अत्यंत लोकप्रिय आणि जगभर सगळ्यांना आवडणारी ही शैली आहे. ही शैली मी कोविडच्या काळामध्ये केलेली ह्या शैलीतली पेंटिंग आणि मला अवधेश कुमार कर्ण हे जे बिहारचे मधुबनीमधले आहेत त्यांचं मार्गदर्शन मिळालं. ऑनलाईन क्लासेसमध्ये केलं. ह्याची विशेषता ही आहे की ह्याच्यामध्ये मोकळी जागा कुठेही ठेवली जात नाही. फुलं पानं किंवा इतर सगळं भरून आणि बारीक बारीक लाईन वर्क याला तिथे कचनी म्हणतात. हे कचनेचं उत्तम उदाहरण आहे. या प्रत्येक पानाच्या प्रत्येक रेषेचं रेघा काढून केलेलं आहे आणि हे गोदना त्यामध्ये ते गोदना शैली आहे.
Hi, good evening. My name is Vaibhav Ganesh. So I am a painter who specializes in oils. I am not a professional painter. This is a hobby for me, but I've been pursuing it very intensely for a decade almost now. So today I have four of my works here. One and two are originals. This is from a couple of Google images, and this is a combination of my imagination and a few Google images. So the one that the camera is focusing on, that is Memories of Mathiran. I've used oils and 3D printing for this. The one above this is Kovalam Crew, which is 20 by 40 inches oils on canvas. So again, this is a photo my father has taken. Next to it is Odilon, which is basically about four children running off into the sunrise. And below that is Varkala, Varkala Dreaming, which is my favorite beach in India, Varkala in Kerala. So I specialize in painting water and classical designs. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मी महेंद्र कोंडेकर पुण्यातून. मी बेसिकली इंजिनियर आहे आणि गेली 10 वर्ष वॉटर कलरचं प्रॅक्टिस करतो आहे आणि बेसिक मिलिंद मुळीक, सचिन नाईक, कोडल्ले हिरेमठ आणि संदीप यादव यासारखे ज्येष्ठ कलाकार मला मार्गदर्शक म्हणून लाभले. त्यांचा मी आभारी आहे. आणि यावर्षी कोविडच्या काळात काढलेली जी चित्र आहेत ती आपल्यासमोर मी मांडत आहेत. ती आपल्याला निश्चितच आवडतील.
हॅलो, नमस्कार. मी गणेश म्हात्रे. मी राहणार तसं रायगड पेणमधलं आहे आणि बेसिकली माझं कॉलेज जे आहे ते पुण्यातच झालेलं आहे. अभिनव कॉलेजमधून पासआउट आहे मी. मला सर्व प्रकारचं मीडियममध्ये काम करायला आवडतं, पण आता सध्या इथे मी चित्र केलेली आहेत ती मी नाईफ वर्क माझं पेंटिंग केलेलं आहे. नाईफ वर्कमध्ये चित्र सर्व केलेलं आहे. थँक्यू.
Hey, hi Smita. So we have Smita Aloni with us. She's from Dubai, an awardee art artist. Her paintings are beautiful. Today in the show, what we are having at Balgandharva from 12th to 14th of November, Expressions. So she is part of the show. I'm very glad to have you here.
Thank you.
So Smita, how did you start this art painting?
I started this 22 years ago and I learned it from Guru Shishya Parampara. My guru is a Rashtrapati Award winner.
Wow.
And I'm carrying on the family tradition all over the world.
That's wonderful. So how has been your experience in Dubai and the art scene specifically there and in India?
It's amazing in Dubai and I have been to Paris, I have been to Austria and so many other countries too. In India this is my first show, so my first experience, so I cannot tell you now.
Okay.
Let me experience for 2-3 days and I will definitely come back to you.
That should be fun. Thank you so much for coming on the show.
Thank you.
तुमच्याकडनं सुरू करायचं.
बरं.